Hello everyone, welcome back to JT classes. Kansas on this side and alumnus of NIT Calcutta. Okay, so let's keep the momentum going. It's time for the another JEE Advanced PYQ from Algebra of Matrices. Okay, so we have taken JEE Advanced 2016 paper 2 PYQ. What do we have? We have a matrix P of order 3 and I is the identity matrix of order 3. Then Q we have some matrix such that P to the power 50 minus Q equal to identity, and then we have to find the value of this thing. Okay, this can be found very easily if we know the Q. So the first target is we have to find the matrix Q. Now Q also from here identity is known to us, P power 50. If P power 50 is somehow known to us, Q we can find easily. So one way we can think that we'll just figure out the powers of P like P, P square, PQ, P4, and then we'll observe the pattern. But that is, it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, so it won't be that much easy. What did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we saw that whenever we have to compute the higher power of some matrices, we'll break that matrix as a sum of 2. In that one part will be identity. So this matrix P I will write as identity and plus some matrix A. So can I say the matrix A will be, it will be 0 0 0, and then we'll have here 4 0 0 and then 16 4 0. Okay, so basically we have written P equals to I plus A. Apply both the sides power 50. So P power 50 will be I plus A to the power 50. Now after this we'll apply the binomial, and we know that we can apply the binomial since I and A commute. So whenever two matrices are commuting, we can easily use the identities. So before that I'll just check out A square, A cube, so on. So I'll check A square. A square will be A into A. So A square we got row 1 and row 2 completely 0, and in row 3 we are getting 16 0 0. Now what we will do? We will just calculate A cube. So A cube will be A square into A. A cube is 0 matrix. If A cube is 0 matrix, afterwards all the matrices will be 0. So again coming back to the problem, what can we write from here? We can say that P power 50 is equal to, apply the binomial over here. So if we apply the binomial over here, what we will get? 50C naught I to the power 50 plus 50C1 I to the power 49 into A plus 50C2 I to the power 48 A square, and so on. And the next term, can I say it will be 0? Since A cube onwards the matrices are 0. So basically we will get P power 50 equals to NC0 1. So we will get I plus NC1 is N. So 50C1 will be 50 plus 50C2. So we know that NC2 will be N minus 1 by 2. So what we will get? 50 into 49 by 2. So we had the information that P to the power 50 is equal to I plus Q. So if I'll just compare these two equations, what can I say? This is I and the remaining portion will be Q. So can I say we'll get Q equals to 50A into 25 into 49 A square 0 0 16, and the column 2 and column 3 0. They are asking Q31 plus Q32 by Q21. So can I say Q31 means third row first column. So I'll just multiply these two. So it will be 15 into 16 then plus 25 into 49 into 16, and Q32 will be 50 into 4 plus this side it will be 0. So basically how much we'll get? It will be 16. 50 plus 25 into 49, 16 we can take common, and plus 50 into 4 divided by Q21. Q21 means second row first column. So second row first column. So we'll get 50 into 4, and that side it's 0. So basically it will be, if you do the calculation, answer will be 103. So option B will be the correct answer. Thank you.